di ba?
On your own, on our own. Pag-usapan natin paglabas.
Bro, that's so close to me.
Maliligo na ako. Front door. Front door. Thank you.
Oh my God, why only now? Oh my God.
Tayo kasi, we don't get to do it.
Baka for ano.
Tayo both, di ba?
Tingin ka doon. Tingin ka doon sa mga.
Swimming? Magsiswimming ka?
Nakita ko yung kabilang side o yung pool.
Pool. May putas. Ay, wala na.
Tingnan mo yun.
Bro!
Galing ka.
Saan pa yung candy? Ay, wala na. Pa yung candy.
No, it's not sayang. We found out.
We can't say it. We're not allowed to say it.
Ano oras na?
It's already, ano. What are we gonna do?
1 hour pa.
What are we gonna do? At the table?
Sayang, sayang! Ay, hindi naman sayang, pero
Yeah, you were.
alam mo yung feeling, gusto mo mag-stay kasi gusto
Alam mo, sa tanga-tanga ko, ngayon ko lang ibinalaki usog yung kama ko kasi sakit-sakit na ng ulo ko dito.
Bakit?
Kasi nandirito yung kama ko, nasa gitna.
Oo.
Si Bang.
Huwag mo isipin.
And it doesn't matter where you are.
Gat mo, alam mo ko ayun.
Or where you are or what you do. I don't understand. This is so important to me. It really is so important to
Layo
me.
nang pupuntahan.
Hindi ako nag-iwan ng brief.
Mga pansit pala tagaming din.
So it means you guys are gonna travel?
Hindi tayo.
Andyan pa rin.
Hindi kayo maliligo.
Maliligo ako.
Para masin tayo
Okay.
mga 30.
Ah, sige. Ano?
Mag-swimming ka.
Where you are or what
you
do. You can't tell me something. Loving.
Ngayon na.
On our way, we'll follow.
I just want you to stay.
It's okay. Back. On my way. Ever since this whole world began, I'm gonna find it if you shake up on me. And so I'm gonna shake and shimmy it the best way I can today. 'Cause you can't stop the motion of the ocean or the sun. I can wonder if you wanna, but I'll never ask why. But if you try to hold me down, I'm gonna spit in your eye and say, you can't stop the beat. Dang. Ay, yun pala.
Ano ba yung ambassador supply? Love you mo ngayon.
Marumi lang.
Kailan yan?
Teka lang.